Honourable Akin Rotimi, during an interactive session with parliamentarian reporters in the House of Representatives Wednesday, maintained that the visit to the press corps was to familiarize himself with members who are calling for the support of all to ensure the success of the 10th House of Representatives. While advising members of the corps to always portray the House in a good light, the lawmaker, Honourable Akin Rotimi, and his deputy, Honourable Philip Agbesi, said they were ready to ensure a formidable, good working relationship between journalists and the House of Representatives.
You can see from the quality of engagements and debates in the House, from the quality of bills and motions that have been moved, you see that we mean very good business, and we are very much in a hurry to ensure that we work with the federal government and other arms of government, of course, civil society, and of course, the fourth estate of the realm press to move Nigeria forward very quickly.
We are not asking you to report what is not, but of course, we would ask that even when we are wrong, you guys should temper justice with mercy so that we can all work together as a family.
Chairperson of the House of Representatives Press Corps, Grace Ike, and some journalists pointed out major issues faced by National Assembly correspondent and the way forward. On oversight, the chairman assured of his determination to discuss with some members of his committee to ensure that training and retraining of media practitioners were made a priority. Organic Victor, ITV News.